What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. We are on day 3 of 12 days of Christmas, so you know what that means. There's gonna be another giveaway at the end of this video. But before we get into that, I gotta tell you guys what the secret Christmas sweater of the day is. This one might actually be my favorite sweater of all time. If you know me at all, or have seen my Instagram or anything, then you know I really love Super Mario and basically anything Nintendo. So, the Christmas sweater of the day is Mario. Ooh. I think this is the best sweater I own. I mean, I don't know, there is some Nightmare Before Christmas ones coming, so you guys be the judge. Is this your favorite so far? Let me know. So today's look was actually, you know, supposed to be glam and kind of nice compared to like the other scary ones I did, but it did end up being a skull anyways. But I do have like some eyeshadow in this one, so it is kind of fun and cute. So if you want to see me create this like candy cane red skull girl, then keep watching. But before we jump into it, just please smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications because you don't want to miss any of the videos this month or any of the giveaways that are going on. But yeah, let's just jump into the video. Alright, so we are using the main squeeze palette from ColourPop. I feel like it's a really good variety of red shades. Gotta put down that primer first, and then I just started taking like a medium toned red and kind of blending that all around, and then taking the darker tone and putting that in the crease and then just blending it. And we're taking a cream paint and just cutting the crease a little bit and then adding like a gold tinted white shimmer on top, and then just blending out the edges with that dark red again. So super easy, just cut crease with 3 colors. Now I did kind of go rogue with the whole cute thing and wanted to do a skull, of course, so we're just drawing out the teeth right now with a white face paint. And then we gotta do that jawbone, gotta snatch that jaw. And then we're filling that in with white face paint as well. I decided to do a candy cane themed, so I'm just taking red and kind of drawing out the lines. So do a thick line and then 2 smaller lines in between, because that's kind of like how the peppermint thing goes. We're taking the red shadow, just blending around, kind of adding like skull features, like blending on the cheekbones. Now we're taking black and doing the nose, because I didn't really know what I wanted to do with my nose, so you know, just go full skull with it. So taking that same black, just outline the teeth, then filling in the gaps. It's a super simple skull this time. Just adding a little bit more dimension with the dark red around the nose as well. Then just adding the pop-out highlights real quick. So now we're doing like this neck thing that was inspired by my friend Tiffany Illuminardi on Instagram. So just fill that in with red face paint or whatever color you want to do. Leave a little gap in the middle for where the strings are going to be, and then we're just adding those with a black face paint. And then I was thinking of doing like a reverse peppermint candy thing, so we're doing the same thick lines and then smaller lines in between that we did on the jaw, just with white on the neck piece. And then using that dark red shadow just to shade the edges to make it look a little more 3-dimensional. And then adding a little fluff at the bottom. And there you guys go. So this was like a super simple one. I just popped in the white contacts. I did put on the Eldora awesome amazing white lashes that I really feel like added a lot to this. Yeah, I hope you guys liked this one. Do you guys like these more simple quick ones, or do you like the super crazy detailed ones like the Grinch? So I definitely want to know. Let me know in the comments. I know what you guys are waiting for, and that is the giveaway for day 3. I think this one is really great. I really wanted to keep this. I mean, I wanted to keep everything, but I just know you guys will really get a lot of good use out of this. So here it is. Ta-da! It is the Wet n Wild and My Melody and Kuromi collab. So you get this nice little bag, double-sided. This is a really cute bag. Anyways, it comes with the My Melody palette. All of this is completely unused, untouched. I have not used it or touched it. And then you get the Kuromi palette. It also comes with this amazing blush and highlighter palette, 2 liquid lipsticks, And then 2 lip glosses. How cute is this? Seriously. I think my sister is gonna be really upset that I'm giving this away and not giving it to her for Christmas. So let's not tell her. Anyways, it all will come in this little bag right here. Everything will be super sanitized and everything before I send it. So if you want to be entered to win today's giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe here to my YouTube channel, like this video, and then pop down in the comments and comment what the secret Christmas sweater of the day was. Then jump on over to my Instagram, follow me there, and then find today's look, find the picture of today's look, and then just comment and tag 2 friends on there. And then you'll be entered. I'll be writing everyone's name down and picking the winner randomly. So yeah, follow the rules. Everything will be listed down below as well. And you'll be entered to win this cute little package. So I will see you guys on Tuesday with the next video and another giveaway for day 4. So see you guys later. Bye.